Assalamu alaikum, this is Muhammad Khair, math teacher of KK Schools, and our lesson today, write numerical expressions 13-3, and our objective is write simple expressions that show calculations with numbers, okay? And my helper today,
Is Ayman.
okay, Ayman. Can you read the solve and share example?
A baker packages 12 cupcakes to a box. Scene orders 5 boxes for his sister's graduation party and 3.5 boxes for the variety show party. Write an expression that shows the calculations you could see to find the number of cupcakes Scene orders.
Thank you. Now we have a package of 12 of cupcakes as you see here in this picture. Okay, and we have 5 boxes for his sister and 3 and 5/10 boxes for his variety show, okay, show party. Okay, so we have to write the expression now. The expression, it is a sum of 5 multiply 12, I mean the 5 boxes multiply the package, okay, plus 3 and 5/10 multiply 12 also, okay, give me the number of cupcake same order. Okay, this is the first part, and let us move to the second part of our lesson and the expression that we have to learn about. Okay, and we start with the guided practice. Okay, now with question number 3 here. Can you read the question?
Add 8 and 7. Add and then multiply by 2.
Okay, so we have to add 8 and 7 and then multiply by 2. So we have to give the higher priority for adding. And in this case, if I write 8 plus 7 multiply by 2, okay, as we learned before, we will execute 7 multiply 2, but he told me something else. We have to add 8 and 7, and to give the higher priority for the plus, we learned that we have to use the parentheses. Yes, so if I give parentheses for this, for adding, it will be higher, a higher priority of the multiplication. Number 4, Ayman.
Find triple the difference between 44.75 out of 100 and 22
and 8/10. Thank you. Now he asked me to find the triple of difference. First of all, you have to know what is the meaning of difference. Yes, okay, difference mean minus between those numbers. Okay, find the triple mean 3 times, so I have to multiply 3 times of the difference between 44 and 75 hundredths minus 22.8, and let me write it more clear. Okay, and use this. So it is 44.75 minus 22.8. All of them multiply 3 times, which mean triple. Okay, now let me erase this. We done it from 3 and 4. Why? To make the space and make it more clear. Okay, and let us go up here to number 5. Yes, Ayman, are you ready?
Yeah.
Okay.
Multiply 4 times 7 out of 8 and then add 12.
So 4 times, it is easy, yes, directly. Apply what you read, okay? Multiply 4 times of 7, okay? 4 multiply 7 over 8, okay? Then add 12, okay? If you follow the order of operations, okay? You cannot add before multiply, yes? You have to multiply first. So it need nothing, okay? Just apply what you read. Now number 6, please. Ayman.
Add 49 to the quotient of 125 and 5.
And my dear students, know what the meaning of the quotient. The quotient is the answer of any division, yes? And he asked me about the quotient of 125 and 5. So 125 divided by 5, okay? The quotient of this division, I will add it to 49. So I can write it like this, or I can write it like this. This is 5, okay, plus 49, okay, and we can write it like this also. All of them are right, because it is by default, the division come before the plus. So we don't need parentheses, but if we write it, doesn't matter, okay? This is the second part, and the third part, this one, okay? And Ayman, please add
91, 129 and 16, add and then divide by 44.
So I have to add the 3 numbers, then divide by 44, okay? It is easy, but we have to write it at the beginning. 91 plus 129 plus 16 plus, and then divide by 44. If I leave it like this, and you ask yourself, execute it, you will do division before adding. But he asked me to add, then to add the 3 numbers, and the answer, the sum of them, divide by 44, okay? Because of that, I have to give the priority or the permission for the adding to be the first, okay? So I have to do the parentheses, okay? If I do like this, it will be correct. I will add, then divide. Without them, without the parentheses, he will execute the division, 16 divided 44, before adding, okay? Is it clear? Okay. Now, let us take question number, I will see, question number 11, okay? Can you read?
Write an expression to show the calculations you could see to determine the total area of rectangles at the right.
Okay, we have 3 rectangles, and he asked me to find the total of their area. Okay, so we know that the area of each rectangle, length by width. So the area for the first one is 18 multiply 22, and the second one 18 multiply 22, and the third one 18 multiply 22. We have 2 ways, okay, to find out the total area. The first one, you just 18 multiply 22 plus 18 multiply 22 plus 18 multiply 22, and then find the answer, okay? And the second way, okay, or the another way, is we have the same expression. If you noted here, the same expression, Okay, repeated how many times, Ayman?
3.
So instead of write something, okay, many times, okay, we have to see how many times is repeated and write it. It is repeated 3 times. Multiply the expression itself. 18 multiply 22. So this expression, okay, we can use this, it is right, and or we can use this and it is right too. Okay, thank you for you watching. Okay, and the calculations I leave it for you. Okay, I know you are liking you are like the calculation. This is Muhammad Khair again. I wish you spent a good time, inshallah, with this mandatory vacation, and I hope all of you good and okay. Okay, thank you.